Yo, what's good, guys? It's your girl Becky G, and these are 5 things you may not know about me. Number 1, I'm 18 years old and I am just now getting my driver's license. Although I learned to drive when I was about 14 years old, just in case an emergency, safely with my parents, and then later on I also learned how to drive stick shift. Not amazing at it, but I can get by. Number 2, I've never broken any bones. I've only sprained my ankle once, and I was about 7 years old. It was like the first time going to see the snow, and we had to like wait in line to like go down on our little like sleds, and I didn't want to wait in line, so I walked away from everybody and I went down the hill, and I couldn't stop, so I put my foot out and it hit a rock, and it was all downhill from there. Number 3, I was performing and I looked down and I noticed my zipper was down. And we're talking like halfway through the set. Then I turned around, right, like this, and I tried zipping and it wouldn't zip, and then the next song started and I turned around with my zipper still down, and everybody was pointing at it, and I was really thankful that I had cute underwear on, but yeah, that was a bummer. Number 4, when I was about like 10 years old, I tried taking a jazz class for technique. I even tried taking jazz funk, okay, and I took it for like a month and I was miserable because there I was like doing across the floor. I was like not flexible. There's like other girls like doing the splits and leaps, and I was like, I can't even do a pirouette. So once I mastered a pirouette, I was super over it, and I moved on to the hip hop classes because that's where it's at for me. I love all the, hip hop moves. So yeah, I moved on from that very quickly. The 5th thing that you may not know about me, when people chew with their mouths open, like, and it's like right there in your ear, like right there. It's just, it drives me a little nuts, but I'm also too nice to say something about it. But now for the people who are around me, if you chew with your mouth open, don't do it, okay? Those are 5 things you may not have known about me. Peace out, y'all. See you next time.